a bit late. I'm drifting through my sleep schedule. This is my edge light. It's actually just my monitor. And it's gone. Okay, pop up the Twitch chat. Twitch chat goes over here. And the YouTube chat. Night gaming, except it's not gaming. YouTube chat goes over here. Okay. So I do have light. Here's my stream light. You can see it balancing my skin tone whiter instead of yellow. The lights are quite warm. Time to go to Twitch. Look at me, I'm white as a ghost. All right. Okay, so gotta write the code. Hi. Okay. Oh, definitely need a sip of coffee. That's undoubtedly required action. Twitch, are you relaxing, or is that just the only emote that's available? I should add like the quadgasm emote. Okay, so we don't need server list. Highlight my message. Yes, it's the highlight my message is a bit too cheap. I don't know what I would replace it with, or like what I would do with it. I just don't even really like the system. Unibrow goes hard. It really does. I'm bringing unibrows back in style. Except, were they ever in style? It grows back in a week, so. More caffeine. And you have 50 new emotes right there. After streaming for a long time, I now have quite an emotive face. What the hell is this release schedule? Oh yeah, I was gonna do a thing, but I did it already probably. Stats. Map stats. Remember when you used to be able to vote on maps and then it would give like a star rating on each map? Good times. Jeez, this is going to be kind of tricky. Run, prepare. So, this is for recording. Yay. Ow. Um. So there's sort of two ways that I could go about this. Work on your homework. Good idea. So for real-time server-side verification, I need to run a instance of the physics simulation on the server for each player as they are running the map. I need to do this anyways for Death Run. So whether I do it now or publish the update and do it later, I still need to do it. This is a big job. So I could either have the client send control requests to the server and have like a networked control system, and it like restart, go to spawn, go to whatever. That's activated by your keybinds. Or I could have a per run simulation. Where your client kind of does all the setup, and then the server just really receives the initialization state and any updates. But the problem with that is restarting, because restarting is literally just teleporting to the start. Oh yeah, I was gonna open up. That's not correct. Why is that a real person? Okay. Why do I know that? Alright. Okay. We're gonna search for this. Oh wow, it's not on here. Okay. Here. Why are you trying to watch Twitch and YouTube at the same time? You can't do like a split window? Doesn't let you. Did they special case it? I don't see why not. We'll see how this goes. This song does not exist. It is an illusion. Alright, so this is the same song on SoundCloud. But what's next on the autoplay? Acceptable. Put the music from your PC on your phone. YouTube Premium runs out. Just download all your music like I do. Except I'm streaming right now. Streaming music. So I really like the idea of having like an overarching state management and networking states, and like this is gameplay, this is just for spectate, because right now when you use the fly camera, it doesn't write to the... Oh, maybe I could write the timelines first. Well, it's kind of like I need the timelines for... We'll see. Okay, well, the fly mode. It doesn't work for spectate because it doesn't write to the networked timeline, which is submitted as this is my run. This is what I'm doing. So having more granular control and being able to specify a subset of the networked data. Okay, a little bit quieter. Subset of the networked data as this is my run and this is what I'm doing, and have them both be networked but be separate. And I don't know. Okay, actually, so right now I have fly mode is a completely separate simulation instance. So the timers are tied to the simulation. Really, it only needs the simulation and playback timers. So the simulation reads from the simulation timer. It's like the input, like what keys you're pressing, and then it writes to the playback timer, which is like, where am I? Where did I move to when I simulated? Hmm. That's why the sub is running out. Oh, are you canceling it because you're doing it yourself now? Okay, so this simulation control, instead of being a client module that just makes everything go, it's basically like duct tape right now. Makes all the features work. Oh look, I can just pass through this function. I don't know why I didn't. Implicit timeline event. Oh, this is where all my code that I wrote to just make it work gets in my way. Hey, Quant, the Quaddage. We're back for another week of programming this time, as per usual. Right now I'm brainstorming and trying to plan out the way that I'm going to do stream title. Spend, smile. I just saw a picture that I took. It was an Amazon box, and they had their slogan on it, but it was like cut off, and it just made it funnier, more corporate. Spend, smile, instead of like whatever their slogan is. I'm sure it's like spend more, smile more. Spend, smile. Spend less, probably. Eh? Spend more. So this is utter trash. This is what makes it so that you can change your FOV in the middle of the run. And it's hard coded. What I want to do is advance the simulation tracker. I guess this simulation tracker set index. I'm doing set index. So it doesn't necessarily need to step for input events. It just needs to know which one is before and after. It does need to step for camera property events. This code must be removed. What's up? I'm writing programming code. Or I haven't done that yet, but I'm planning on doing it. I'm going to do it. I promise. What? So what I want to do here is go like delete, just all this, just gone, delete, and then do simulation tracker advance to fizz time. And that does everything. With timer tracker hooks and okay, so I need to have like okay, so the timer events is a timer event thing. I'm adding event to the timer, but what I really mean is that I'm adding event to the timer's timeline. So I have timer.events. So I'm thinking maybe I should separate this into a timeline object. And what is this? This isn't like cool music. It's a little bit cool. Okay, it's back. We're back. Don't say it. Is my video even... Content. It's still processing. YouTube is crazy. Is it still 360? It's literally still 360p. Wow. Hold on. How do I see dislikes? Analytics. I want to see if people are disliking it. That'd be fun. Audience. Engagement. How do I see dislikes? I have no idea. What is this music? Okay, kind of not cool. Kind of not cool. Analytics. No, show me. How do I see video dislikes? God. Damn. 90% of viewers are subscribed. I'm the opposite of like popular YouTubers. I'm an unpopular YouTuber. Let's go. What do you mean advanced mode? How do I don't know how to see video dislikes. Alright. I don't really care that much. Alright. Find me a better song. How do I really want to play trap music, but no one else likes that. This is trap music. Extended. Bruh. Alright, we'll find a song. Hold on. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. It's all trap. I'm subscribed to so many trap artists on SoundCloud. And Funeral Wave. What is that? Valentine. That's Moomba. Okay, is this like a real song that will play music? Kind of. Deep House. Bruh. Okay. 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 It's okay. Dr. Blackter Italio Disco Mix. Alright, we'll see how this goes. See if it's better. You trying to play Chief Keef? Yeah, dude, I'm looking for the Chief Keef albums. Where's that? I think I have like one remix. Hold on. Oh no, I'd have to use the other files browser. The Keef. Yeah. I have this singular song that is trap music. So add event. Ooh, no. Well, the timers should be replicated too. There's a lot of ways I could do this. Oh, I made a change. What did I change? Oh, right, yeah. Nautilus, the XFCE file browser doesn't. The search doesn't work. Hold on. There's a plugin, XFCE search plugin. Thunar. All right, show me. I'm distracted. I'm currently distracted. Blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. I need glasses. Search. Yeah. Oh. Do I have that? Okay. No, it's Python. No. All right. All right. Scan for viruses? Like the Dropbox? What are you doing? Okay. Okay, so show triggers. I think that maps which don't maps with don't get it? Maps which don't where you have to avoid a trigger should just be like redesigned. The trigger should not ever be in your way. You should never have to go around a trigger. Either you can't get through or you don't have to think about triggers. And if there's invisible triggers that you have to get around, that is a mapping issue, in my opinion, and should be fixed. The issue is that I don't add map fixes very often, so it'd be nice to have a system for adding maps to the game. All right, so now when I open Thunar File Manager and I go, oh, I want to search my music drive for Keith. How do you search? Search. The optional dependency mlocate. Okay. Search. What is that? Okay. Key. Okay. Nice. Dr. Plachter. Okay, and then we go to files, music, Keith. It didn't work. How do I search? Bro, I want to have the search. Bruh. Bruh. Are you using foot? What? This is Thunar. What the hell is foot? I can't figure it out right now. I would. Oh, edit, configure custom actions. Okay. Edit. Okay, there it is. So I have to go edit, configure custom actions. And then, oh, that's the best. Okay. Search. Oh my god. My lady. Why is it a custom action to search for files? All right. Wait, okay. Okay. Now can I search? Control F. Whoa! It opens up a search. Oh, geez, it's so scuffed, man. Why don't they just have a built-in like Control F and then you're good to go? I mean, that works. I guess that's fine. All right, I figured it out. It sucks, but whatever. Excuse me. So I was like daydreaming before I went to bed about like having like multiple timelines per timer, having like a this is freaking jam. Dr. Plechter. Oh, it has to have the timestamps. Lyrics. Hey, yo, get those lyrics out of here. Wait, we'll see. Okay, so I want to at least write timer tracker hooks, timer tracking, timer tracker hooks, so I can make. So when so instead of having like global timer events where you go like, whenever this event happens on any timer, do this, which is like that's not really how it should work. And like I have this like custom code that does random stuff. Like like what is this? Fire event. I guess that's like playback tracking. Hot playback trackers. What's that? That's literally like trackers of playback timers, right? Seamlessly switches from a 1985 song to a 2017 song. Pretty awesome. So this is God. Add function. So so this is All I really need to know is, oh, right, they delete. So this is, oh no, it's not actually. Okay, so run events. Hmm. So this is like a global function. This is a bad system. And then it goes into add function, and this is root, and this is only required for root timers. So it seems like I don't need global functions for all timers and timelines. It's more like a timer tracker class or index is how I call it. So it does like create timer tracker index or something. And this is the playback index. Do I use the timer tree here? Whee! I do use this though.
So I could get the get an exact function in the timer, but
Gosh, this is mind-numbing. I have something that works, and I'm trying to make it work completely differently. I had this whole plan, and I just did this. Ah! Ooh. What is real-time server-side verification? The idea is so have you played the dev game, and like when you beat the map, it says verifying your time or whatever it says. Okay, a little bit quieter. And then it fails to validate and it just doesn't work, but it processes the run at the end of you getting a time. So the idea is instead of when you beat the map, it processes your run. Instead of that, it does it in real time as you play the map. And so you don't need to wait; it just immediately happens. And the benefit of that is that you can also correct the client simulation if it goes off track of what the server thinks is happening, which I have to make it not do that unless you're like literally cheating. Otherwise, the game will play terribly. Bruh. So I guess this is all about object relations. So the question is, how does the simulation tracker get the relevant camera when it fires its event hook? How does it? Okay, so in the view module, what it does is it grabs the player and it checks if it's the current player and then edits it. Oh, jeez. Oh, I just want it to work, man. I'm thinking about like what if I have a secondary simulation for spectating which receives the input timeline, which is how the server verification is working, and it runs a simulation while you're spectating instead of just playing stuff. But like it already works, man. I just don't. I just can't see the big picture here and invent the tools that I need to organize everything with a very elegant structure. I have like half baked event systems and timers and timelines and timer trackers. This wasn't correct. So right now this is actually running the simulation. Oh my god. Everything works already. And what I am looking at doing right now is like rewriting a lot of code. Hmm. Wouldn't that be neat? Hello. How? Get control state. That's okay. Oh man. So the add function should sort of be per um per timer tracking index. It's so complicated. What game? This is for Roblox, Behop, and Surf. How long have you been programming? Pretty much my whole life. Before I was on Roblox in 2008, and I started working with Roblox Lua, I was doing like Lego Mindstorms stuff, and then before that, I also played with like StarCraft map trigger stuff, which I didn't know was programming. So like I was thinking about this not too long ago that I sort of have been exposed to it my whole life. Longer than I've been alive, yeah. It's a long time. Hard to understand? Yeah, it's an entirely new way of thinking. I think that anyone can, almost anyone can do it if you try to learn and you really want to learn to do programming. You can, but it's not easy. You have to sort of rewire your rewire your brain to think in a new way, how to break down a problem into the most tiny chunks. I wonder if I can, instead of like, so add function isn't used incredibly often here. Timer member function. So So this could be implemented as a special timer tracking index, which applies to all timers. And but the question, does it get its own timeline? Wow. What did you think about Luau? Did not realize you're gonna stream today. I was just about to go to bed. Yeah, I my sleep schedule is flying forwards. So I woke up at like 7 p.m. or something. It'll be later and later. I barely made it to Monday. Like I almost started my Monday stream on Tuesday. I was wondering like if my sleep schedule is shifting forward and I'm eventually going to lose a day, like I'm gonna wake up or like, you know what I mean, where I'm going to be awake for fewer days than exist in the calendar because my like awake time is like 15 hours and then my sleep time is like 12 hours or whatever. Not 12 hours, but like 10 hours. So I got like 24 and a half hours in a day. So I just like practice by making projects. That's one of the best ways, in my opinion, is learn by doing. Trying to make a 2D RPG game, excellent way to learn programming. What did you think about Luau? I never answered that. Awesome. It makes my code run faster. Great job, Roblox. And also, they can add like more features and stuff, which is cool. It's just more time. More or less, yeah. You just have more time being awake. Well, there's other ways to do that. Just sleep less, but it's 2D because there's no problem with 2D. You're still gonna learn programming. If your goal is to learn programming, making a game, or if your goal is to learn programming for game development, then making a game is like the best thing you can do. It doesn't matter if it's 2D. Modeling it all? Yeah, one of my favorite aspects of B-Hop as a game. What is this? Why is there dubstep in my disco mix? B-Hop is almost purely programming. So the map makers make the maps, and that's very nice. I love the fact that people just make maps, and then that covers like all of the modeling work, and then the rest of it is just like programming different game aspects, and I just can fully only do programming, and there's no other aspect except the game GUIs. There's a lot of game GUIs. It'd be nice to have someone to do that. Didn't have to make assets. Hey, seems like you writing more Lua than Luau. What? Luau is just an interpreter for Lua. Elaborate server-side verification. Were you not here? I said it several times. How about a demonstration? One. Line configurations being updated. How do you know coding? Because I've done it for many, many years. All right, so you go like, wow, I'm playing the game. And then you go, wow, I beat the map. And then it goes, your run is being processed. And then it goes, time upload error. Just like that. Why did it say time upload error? What? Failed to get uprated time rank. Column style does not exist. Style ID. So I got style ID. Let's take a look at the docs. Documentation. Times. Submit. Style ID. Okay, I don't know why it's suddenly failing. Why did it submit the time even though the run got processed and it said failed? Time manager. What? Why is it running new time? I just forgot what I was doing. I could do UI stuff. Hi. Are you using Discord integration with webhooks? Discord integration for what? The map test bot is sort of a completely separate hack tool to try to allow map makers to not have to contact me in order to test their maps. School stuff, have to get to sleep. Good night. See you later. Sending runs to Discord? No, those are the Discord bots are using a API that we provide to whoever wants to request an API key, and it's a public API. So other people have made Discord bots to parse what's happening in the game and when records occur, which is pretty cool. I was playing B-Hop and a man make world records. Yes, there's some new maps now, so you'll probably see a lot of record notifications. So I think the way to do this is to have event hooks submitted to the timer index, and then any timer, not timer index, the timer tracker index, and then any timer tracker with that index, when it passes over an event will call the. Come back. What the shit? Come back. What the back about that? But like, there's a lot of granular precision with the event order and everything that really. It's really important. Oh yeah. Oh man, big mug. It's not that big. Oh my goodness, I don't know if I'm even gonna be able to do anything. I just can't wrap my head around the problem I'm facing. Have a good stream. See you later. Oh, it's so messy. There's little things using little custom implementations of everything everywhere. Like this is a hack. It just grabs onto something else. So as events are added to timers, it adds it to the queue. So I set time. I should probably have it like hooked into set time as well, where when you set the time on the timer, it modifies its timelines and updates the timer trackers. Sheesh. Oh. No wonder I had trouble writing this code in the first place. I wrote this as like, okay, this is the first implementation, and once I have it written, then I'll be able to see the issues with it and hopefully write a better version. But like, I see the issues, but I still can't imagine people join the game. Okay, let's figure out why it's submitting times. It's in record. Okay, so I don't bypass validation. It says so for me. Wait, what? What? Don't tell me it's recording the V player. Okay, stop getting times. I need to see this log. So it prints V player. What does that mean? So this is... This is... Why is it printing this? What? So it, wait, so it failed the verification after I finished the run? Oh, 360. Huh. Huh. I was wondering why it printed fails. Interesting. So it called the run finish event. Oh my. Oh my god, there's so much work to do. There's so many problems. Why not? Like your streams, love seeing the progress. Great. I like streaming. I need more thinking time. What is that? TK? Okay, now I'm thinking. What if I have the timelines completely separate from the timers? So the timers are simply for real time. They're for figuring out what time it is using a structured time system. And the timelines are the recording, networking, and that structure. And then when I create the simulation, I can use pure timelines. And then I only need I need to write this down. Simulation uses pure timeline objects. Timers themselves are not included or attached to the simulation. And then that way the real time aspect is more of a tool for, so this is not talking about the server-side verification. This is like overarching core architecture of the entire simulation and game systems. So in that system, there is no concept of current time. Everything is offline, which is needed for the offline verification system. It would also make more sense to submit to the simulation's own timelines, because instead of, okay, so then explicitly, okay, no, it does make sense, because I can make the timelines explicitly require a timestamp to submit events. And it's the timer which allows you to have an implicit timestamp attached to your events, because that's sort of a real-time system. Oh dear. Right. I need the timers for the time transformations. Submit run event. That is the simulation time. And the playback time is whatever the playback time is. Oh my god. This just sucks because I don't want to break everything and rewrite 70 different code locations. Is the bot being removed from testing? What? What's the bot? Things are just broken. And let's see, what does the WR list look like? Whoa. Weird. Okay, so this is an internal error. So it actually okay, so then a different error happens sometimes. Interesting that the simulation is erroring after it finishes. So this is 433 and the time is 4.333. So immediately when it ends, it errors. Why is it off by these weird amounts? It's so weird. The bot replay, it's literally just failing. The code is not working. I don't make it. There's no guarantees that this is working code. This is the development game. It's under development. So if it doesn't work, it's because I'm in the middle of making it. What up? I'm doing things, trying to think really hard about how my game works. Need the moderation service. Damn. And I start recording again. Okay. Do I say screw it and test some maps? I kind of want to just like play the game. We'll do that for a bit. Make uh-oh. Did I make any breaking code changes? New. Maybe. Set speed coef. Cheater, cheater, cheater. All right. We're making update. Ooh, here. And then I go like map test new physics. And we're just going to play some maps. I'm going to update. Bhap maps. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this. Yep. And then like this. And then I have to go to this. All right. We'll let that process. And then load up the first map. All right. Here we go. Amazing map start. Wow. Oh, and you can just, okay. This map is literally Satan. B-Hop is supporting the Antichrist. I will not let, what? I will not let my child play this game. Did I just go back to the start? No? Okay. What, was that a, like, weird trigger or something? It's probably the wall is the trigger, eh? Wait. No, it's just a weird trigger. Oof. So first of all, the trigger should be closer to the tops of the platforms. That is the end of the map, I assume. And the walls should not be triggers, and they should also be farther away. What is this map? Abyss. Time upload error. Wow, it actually passed the simulation. Interesting is that it's actually completing the simulation. Ain't no way. This is probably 30-second WR, but we'll see. Did I just S? I think I just pressed S. Oh, jeez. You could just jump there. And that is a incorrect trigger. All right. Chat. um... Whoa. That is not supposed to happen. This is a weird map in terms of the game mechanics. So like there's lots of issues like did you intend okay, I'll just write it to the map maker. This the guy, right? All right, so that map has several issues, but could be good. Open up the chat. Sub is running out. I gonna cry so hard. What will you do? Oh, this could be. Oh, it's jumpy jumps. B-hop. B-hop. Jumpy jumps. Rain. Why did I go for that? Okay. Oh! I made it. No! Ow. Whoa! Tilted platforms is not a common thing in VHAT maps. Like everywhere in the map. Sometimes it's there, but usually not ubiquitous. Like, oof, this. Cool. It's got a unique look. You remember how the map looks? Oof. Wow. No. Where do I go? Do I hit the wall? Oh. What? It's a trigger. Is this unfinished? What? I see something there. What? Why is there a little... What? What? Well, I don't know where to go. You just have to go back? Could be. Some maps do that. No, it doesn't look like it. This is just looking like the map. Yeah, don't you have to go backwards? I don't like this map, he says. You don't like its unique style and... I think it has a unique aesthetic, unique gameplay. I just can't figure out what to do here. Yeah. It's a trigger. The roof is a trigger. The walls are triggers. Like you. Is you're literally just supposed to go through here. Gotcha. That is just not good design. You just put like a smiley face on it or something. Oops. Whoa! Oh, there's a... Lego blocks would be better. What do you mean Lego blocks would be better? What does that even mean? Whoa! Wormhole was tilted. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Nice. Whoa! What? Why didn't it make a sound? Oh, is it a booster? Whoa! Huh? Oh! What? Huh? I don't get it. What was going on there? Whoa! That's... the aesthetic is very cool. Oof. Bad at game. Hey. Fast. Oh dear. Those are tilted. Confusion. Oh my god. Wait, is the gravity edited here? No, it's just tilted. Oh! Wait, ooh, okay. Turn around? Do you... Okay. This does look different. Maybe not. What? Why is there... What? Do you just have to find that? Are you supposed to be able to go that way? Who made this map? Nobody knows. You right? Okay. What is this? Just okay. 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 It just keeps going. Oh. 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 Oh my god, it just keeps going. Wait. Why is there no trigger there? Or did that lead me somewhere? No, there's just no trigger there, right? Or spawn, I guess. Oh my! Why would there be no... What? Why would that be no spawn? Does this have an end? I didn't make it. What's the point then? What do you mean, what's the point? What's the point of what? Loading maps without finishes? So that you can test it without having people get times? What's the point then? Pinpoint. Was good until after green. I didn't expect it to go on this long. I thought it would just be like the blue stage. Blue part. I died again. I'm trash. Just aim for the platforms, okay? Just aim for the platforms. Give it a chance. Nice. Who's gonna fly? This map is too long. Too short, too long. Make up your mind. Oof. 200 speed. Let's go. Dang, I missed. Wow. All right. Oh my god, bro. I have an insane speed and I can't do it. I guess I'll just slow down, like, how annoying. This is map testing. We haven't tested this map to completion. I'm so trash. Bruh. That was the worst possible time that could happen. It like really makes me just want to not stream to YouTube. Yoink. No. Oh my god. That's it. Why? Why? Like, there literally just has to be a spawn there. What? Okay. Oh no, never mind. What? Okay. I'm guessing it's still no checkpoint. Ay. Guessing it's still no checkpoint. Don't fail, otherwise you go back to green. Why are some of them red? Maybe it's checkpoint now. I don't want to test it. Oh, it's kind of silly. Is it a booster? Oh, nope. You just have to have kept your... What the hell was that? Why did I do that? kept your speed. Otherwise, you're a trash bee hopper. Hi. No spawns red. 0 spawns. Don't tell me I'm gonna go all the way back to green if I fail once here. I'm quitting this map if it's like that. No, no. Why did I take chances? Bro, why did I take chances? No chances. No chances. No chances. Only no chance. No chance. No chance. Only take jumps I am 100% confident with. No chances. Confidence. Okay, we're going this way. Okay, what's over here? Ooh, slippery sliding. Okay. Don't take chances. YouTube is gonna error, and then I'm just gonna go back to green because of a stupid nothing. Right now, right now. Yo! I hope that's a spawn, but I don't know. You just a one shot the rest of the map. Oh, that's it. I beat the map. All right. Question. That was a oneer. That whole thing was a oneer to the end of the map. Okay, like this, like I okay, like all of the last stage, I could see that, but if you have checkpoints until now, you need to have a checkpoint at the beginning of the red stage at the very least. I want to know who made this map. Okay. Who did this? Who did this? Excuse me. Jeez. Dude. It's cool.